Hypergeometric distribution. A company has 20 employees, of which 8 have college degrees. According to the company owner, 3 employees were recently selected at random to be transferred to another state. Suppose all 3 of those selected did not hold a college degree. What is the probability of this happening by chance? Even if nobody tells me that this is a hypergeometric distribution problem, I'm going to understand that it is. First of all, there is a total population of 20 employees, and from this population we are taking a sample of 3. So, and this sample is without replacement. Yes, we are taking these 3 just at once. So if that happens, I'm immediately thinking that could be a hypergeometric distribution. But I also noticed that they are asking me what is the probability that in the sample there are a number of successes. And in this case, they are asking me what is the probability that those 3 that have been selected doesn't hold a college degree. Don't hold a college degree. Okay, so, and I noticed that in the whole population, there are 12 of them that don't have a college degree. So for that reason, so we have a whole population sample without replacement. So that needs to be a hypergeometric distribution. And the hypergeometric distribution, remember the formula, the probability that the variable takes the value x will be equal to the combination k choose x times a combination n minus k choose a small n minus x divided by combination of the whole populations choose n small n. So everything, you need to know what is everything. This capital N is the size of the population. This small n will be the size of the sample. And will be here, and k will be the total number of success in the population. Yes? So if we need to obviously to know what is everything here. So the first thing that we know is that the whole population is 20. So let's type this, n equal 20. So now what is the sample? We are selecting 3 of them, so the small n equal 3. And also we need to know how many success in the whole population, how many of them don't hold a college degree, because A have college degree, then 12, 20 minus 8, 12 don't have college degree. So will be k equal 12, and finally x is in the question, so probability of x. So and then we are finding the probability of all 3. So what the probability? So x equal 3. So we're finding the probability that the variable that doesn't have a college degree are 3. So let's see, here will be x equal 3. Okay, the only that I need to do is make a substitution. Substitute all these numbers into the formula. So x equal 3 will be p of 3 equal combinations kx, so will be combinations 12 to 3 times will be here 20 minus 12, and here 3 minus 3, and divided by combinations 20, 12. Combination divided by combinations 20 choose 3. So equal, okay, I'm doing this slowly again, so let's type this again the same. And here 20 minus 12 is 8, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 0, so divided by C23. So if you see something like this, you can actually think, I can solve this without a problem, without a formula. If we notice that if the question was what is the probability of selecting 3 without a college degree, and actually the sample is 3, so you can think that the question was what is the probability that to take 3 from 12 that they don't have a college degree, and 0 of the 8 that has a college degree. So you can think in this way. So you say combination of 12 to 3, because there are 3 that doesn't have a college degree, and a 0 because there are 0 in the sample. Well, we are finding the probability of 0 in the sample that have a college degree. Okay, so you can think in this way instead of using the formula. If you notice, oh, there are 12 that has doesn't have college degree, and 8 that have a college degree, and from this we are going to take 3, and from this we are going to take 0. So you can use this, and here at the bottom is actually the whole population, and here is the whole sample that it was coincidentally 3 also. Okay, let's compute this number. I think this number is the easiest to compute, yes? C is 0, because C is A0, you don't need a calculator for this, yes? It will be, anytime that you have a 0 here, the answer is 1. So let's type this 1 here. 1, and this, you can use the calculator for this. Use the key combination in your calculator. C12, choose 3, and the answer is 220, and divided by C23. Use my calculator, and the answer is 1140. So just type this or solve this in your calculator, and you get the answer is 0.1930. This is close to 20%. So this is something that could happen. Eh? There is a 20% probability that when you choose 3 of them, all of them don't hold a college degree. Okay, thank you. That concludes my explanation of this problem.